Hey, welcome back to the channel. You know what? Yesterday I thought I finally had a good enough sleep and was prepared to film this video, which is for Vlogmas Day 5, but a bunch of things came up and I didn't even have a chance to film. I had a few things for my business to attend to, then I had to get to the gym, and a few other things, so unfortunately I'm a day behind, but today I have time to catch up. Let's start this off with Vlogmas Day 5. So today is a little bit less of a specific vlog style, because we're actually just gonna talk about what I think are 4 of the best purchases, which essentially could be in a sense some DIY gifts, to increase the amount of storage space, or decrease clutter in small rooms or apartments. I can speak to this because I live in a small apartment. Recently I've been trying to improve the amount of space and generally improve living conditions. Also, going into Christmas especially, I feel like it can get kind of busy in your home, like it is even here. And I personally think it's a great idea at these times to try and create more space. Trying to get things out of the way, make walking areas more clear, just generally decrease the amount of clutter everywhere, and really just organize the space as best I can. And it's something that can also help to improve productivity, which is especially useful for me. So don't forget about that amazing reason to do this. It's important to feel good about the space you're in, and hopefully these items can help you do that. The first item I got recently is a set of adhesive wall hooks, and this is for general organization throughout my apartment. These are very affordable and from Amazon. I've already put up a few on the wall and have honestly been pretty creative with them, if I do say so myself. Here I've only placed one on the wall, mainly because I was considering the chance that pulling these very strong adhesive hooks off the wall will just rip the wall off. But here's another instance I used them. In the shower, on tile that you can't really rip off. Although technically I haven't tried pulling them off, so who knows. But I use these to hold up a shower caddy, and I put 2 to make sure it doesn't twist different ways, depending on how heavy each side is. I also used some hair bands to prevent it from sliding different directions. These have been a massive help in cleaning up my desk, and even cleaning up the floor in my shower, and making showering more convenient. The second item I got is basically a rectangular makeup organizer for more bathroom organization. Now I know what you're wondering, how long have I been collecting makeup? Well actually, sorry to disappoint, but I've never collected makeup. But that doesn't mean the organizers made for makeup can't be used for something else. I got this one from Kmart, it was inexpensive and it does the job. It's simple, clear, holds quite a few things, and it obviously has 3 tiers or levels to it. If you see this video and you're interested in getting one, I'd suggest checking out your nearby Kmart to see if they stock it. Otherwise, I've left a link in the description to an actually nicer looking one that I wouldn't mind replacing with this one, because I'm a fan of darker and more aesthetic themed items. The third thing I got for some more kitchen organization is a 3-tiered bamboo shelf. This was super easy to set up and makes life in my small kitchen so much easier than it used to be. I keep fruits, coffee and tea related things, vitamins, food clips, rubber bands, and any other random stuff that didn't have a place before in the kitchen now goes here. The fourth and final item I got was actually a dark themed shower caddy. This was for my work/gaming space and table to reduce a massive amount of clutter I had there. So you actually saw this thing earlier in the video. I used the adhesive hooks I mentioned earlier to attach it to the wall next to my workspace. I got this shower caddy from Kmart. It has a bunch of different sections and some hooks on it, so I could hang a few things as well, and it does what I want. But there's all sorts of styles of shower caddies that you can get, so pick something that suits your needs or something that you like. I'll leave a link for something that I think looks great from Amazon, if you so choose to take a look at that. The one I linked looks universal, and it has lots of space and hooks, if that's the kind of thing that you're looking for. But again, just take a look for yourself and see what's available. You would know better than I what you need for your storage situation. That brings us to the end of... Make sure to subscribe so you can follow along for the rest of Vlogmas, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.